Alright, here is my spreadsheet that I made for Technology Investigation 5. My goal for my spreadsheet was to have my output show me the solution of my two equations that I have, equation 1 and equation 2. And then hopefully it will tell me when there's no solution, one solution, and an infinite amount of solutions. So what I have started right here, I have my equation 1x plus 2y equals 3, and equation 2 is 4x plus 5y equals 6. I chose to show the substitution method, which is being performed down here, as you can see, and it solves and gives me a y value and gives me an x value, which I have right here. Therefore, this would be an example of it showing me one solution. If I change it, so let's manipulate a little bit, multiply equation 1 by 3, so I get 3, 6, 9. Okay, and now you can see I have an infinite number of solutions because these lines are just multiples of each other, so therefore they're the same line, and they are going to have an infinite amount of solutions. So let's find out if I have if it'll give me back no solutions, which means that the lines would be parallel. So if I look at there, I just used an example and it gave me back no solutions. To help solve my spreadsheet, I created slope-intercept form, and so in order for two lines to be parallel, you'll see that their slopes have to be the opposite reciprocals of each other. So look at here, the slope in equation 1 is 2, and the slope in equation 2 is negative 0.5, which is the opposite reciprocal of 2, which makes sense then that there's no solution and these lines are parallel. I need to do the slope-intercept form to manipulate my if-then statements, so then I could figure out when the slope was the same, or when the lines were the same, or the lines were or the slope just helped me figure out when there was no solutions or solutions, or an infinite amount of solutions. And then yeah, I'll just type in a random example, 5, 10, 12, so 6, negative 1, 7. Alright, so now, yep, this is just a random example, and it gives me my y value and my x value. So hopefully that shows everything I wanted it to.